Self-publishing has tons of secrets, to include over at Etsy, the world of printables. Printables for wall art, planners, calendars, stickers, cards, birthday cards, planners, stickers, and just a simple search of printables brings up all these different niche ideas, these different types of printables. Some of this really overlaps with what we do inside of Amazon KDP, but these are secrets to me, secrets to the majority of people that may not understand and know what printables really are and how you can really tap into the world of printables, especially over at Etsy. Because when you don't know something, it is, or it can seem to be a secret. It is to me, and that's why I'm sharing this with you today. Easy Party Printables from Amy Harrop. This is a full training. This, as you see here, is a PDF. It's 93 pages. You can see the table of contents here. Introduction on why printable products are great, why printable party products are a hot niche, party printable success. Again, this is the idea of niching down or finding a secret inside of the Etsy printable market, which is party printables. Finding the most popular party or the occasion niches, creating printable party products, selling your party printables on Etsy, getting traffic to your printable shop, and then as well as a conclusion that includes a very important piece right here. The final thing I want to mention about party printables is how easy it is to find your audience online. Thanks to social media marketing and the ease of finding products to buy, you can use the keywords, hashtags, and other strategies that are in this guide to make sure that people who are most interested in your party printables can find them and buy them. All the information here in this 93-page PDF. Of course, it comes inside of a full training that includes videos. Here you can see Amy Harrop welcome you to Easy Party Printables, where you can actually download the guides, the video templates, and the worksheets in a zip file. Also understand that in these modules, all the guides and worksheets are fully downloadable, to include the videos here where Amy walks you through using PowerPoint and Canva, as well as how to modify an idea to make it your own. This video right here, 9 minutes, 9 seconds, is about doing research on Etsy, finding things on Etsy, taking that idea, not copying, but modifying it to make it your own and creating something unique to sell on your own Etsy shop. Module 3, download the templates and watch the demo videos. Really, this is the most exciting thing for me because you can actually download the templates in PowerPoint as well as in Canva. And then there are videos walking you through exactly how to use all of these templates right here. And it's as simple as clicking this link to access your Canva templates, which takes you to a template that you see right here. It takes you to this template created by Amy Harrop. It was shared. Type your text bingo and you simply click use template. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one and use the free Canva, or if you already have one, go ahead and sign in. And it opens that template ready for you to go to start creating something unique that you can sell over on Etsy. And there's so many different directions and ways to go with this. But once you have the template, you have the foundation and you have a starting point. And again, this is my favorite part of this training, and understanding the secrets of Etsy and how to actually get started by using these templates. Of course, these templates also come in PowerPoint. So when you purchase Easy Party Printables, the link in the description, you get these templates as well in PowerPoint. You can see here the bingo style games. You simply just double click on this. It opens that up in PowerPoint, and then you have a PowerPoint here, again with a foundational template that you can start with. And this is just one of the simple templates that you can get started with, building your own Etsy store around this concept of building an Etsy shop around party printables. And of course, there's module 4 here, which includes bonuses, which is Etsy selling secrets and the ultimate resource for free graphics online. Here's the ultimate resources for free graphics online presented by Amy Harrop. You can see here the resources that she provides. There's 2 pages of resources for free graphics, as well as you get 24 pages of Etsy selling secrets from Amy. And you can see here, this guide will walk you through the process of starting a shop, uploading your digital products, marketing your store, and perfecting your listing. The thing is, you just follow through with this and it won't be long before you're up and running, making passive income off your digital downloads. Currently here on the channel, I'm focused on Amazon and Amazon KDP and low content, but this is a world that is Again, a secret to most, but once you unlock the secrets and you see how easy it is, how simple it really is to get started, and how Amy walks you through all this in these 4 modules with the bonuses, the templates, the tutorial videos, the guides, and the worksheets. Of course, that's 93 pages, the table of contents you see here. Also some other great online tools to research printable and niche products. Again, from Amy right here. You can see the first step you must take to create a successful business or product is research. You know I love research here on the channel, and this guide is going to walk you through how to do research with tons of online tools specifically targeted at Etsy. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to the sales page, and you can see here, tap into this secret that turns simple content into highly in-demand gold mines, and where there are over 45 million repeat buyers. This is perfect for those who want to rinse and repeat publishing stream, publish once and sell again and again. Again, there's a video here from Amy. She's going to talk to you about Etsy and the general idea of what I'm saying here. Just like it says here on the sales page, this truly is a massive opportunity. It's one that I'm going to be diving into more here on the channel. It's one that I think that really works hand in hand in what we're doing with KDP and low content, and actually makes this a simple way to create something once and to find repeat buyers, just like we do on Amazon with our books that we're creating for real people. These are real printables that people are going to purchase for weddings, baby and bridal showers, graduations, anniversaries, holiday and event parties like Halloween, Christmas, and the Super Bowl, and many more. And they're going to be repeat buyers. And again, all the secrets that I'm talking about here, the secret world of printables, and specifically party printables, is all right here inside of Easy Party Printables. And it's going to dive into the hugely profitable party niche, and it's going to reveal how you can get started fast. Again, the start fast is going to come with the templates here on Canva and inside of PowerPoint, a welcome start here video, and then 4 modules that walk you through exactly how to do this, with the main module being this 93-page PDF. Again, introduction on why printable products are great. Everyone loves a party. If we didn't collectively love to celebrate occasions from parties to national holidays, we wouldn't spend so much time and money planning parties. Why printable products are a hot niche. We are naturally social, and we all have varying needs in terms of quiet and alone time. The tradition of gathering to enjoy special occasions and holidays is one that has persisted through human history. Here in this chapter, it's going to be explaining to you why printable party products are hot printables, and one is likely to become increasingly popular as people learn how much money they can save by using printables when they plan parties. Party printable success. It's one thing to imagine selling party printables in the abstract, but it might be difficult to imagine your success before you've tried to create your first printable products. Is it really possible to earn money selling printables, specifically for parties and celebrations? The short answer is yes. People do it every day on Etsy. Think about the things that we do on Amazon with low content books. This is just a smaller subset of that, and it's a very targeted niche inside of the party planning niche. Finding the most popular party occasion and niches. A big part of creating a successful printable shop is understanding who is in your target audience. It's neither economically feasible nor is it effective to try to market to everybody. You'll need to narrow your audiences to make it possible to connect with people who are most likely to buy the printable party products you create. In the world of marketing, a target audience may be referred to as a niche, and in this guide, Amy is going to walk you through how exactly to do that. Creating printable party products. Choosing a niche for your party printables is an essential step. Once you've done that, it's time to create your very first products and get ready to sell them. Everything's been included in this product, Easy Party Printables. After your purchase, you're going to get a number of done-for-you party printable templates in both PowerPoint and Canva format with complete training. Simply modify them and make them your own. Selling your party printables on Etsy. You've created your first party printables, and now it's time to sell them. That's what this chapter is about, all about opening up your Etsy shop and getting started with Etsy, and then moving on to getting traffic to your printable shop. Your Etsy shop is set up, and you're ready to sell your party invitations, decorations, and any other printable products you've created. In order to do this, you must make sure that people in your target audience can find your store and products. In other words, it's time to talk about traffic, and that's what Amy is going to do here in getting traffic to your printable shop. As you can see, everything you need to untap or unlock the secrets of Etsy and really get in to a sub niche on Etsy, printables and party printables, is all here in this 93-page PDF, as well as the 4 modules here with the bonus modules to include great online tools to research printable niches and products, the ultimate resource for free online graphics, the Etsy selling secrets that Amy is going to provide. And again, there is a link in the description. It will take you over to the sales page, and the sales page reads, tap into the secret that turns into simple content into highly in-demand gold mines. The idea here is you're going to take what you've been learning about Amazon KDP, or you're just going to simply dive into this simple world of party printables over on Etsy. And this is everything that you're going to get, again, when you access Easy Party Printables. The link is in the description. It's an in-depth Easy Party Printables PDF guide that I just walked you through. You're also going to get a quick start checklist, over-the-shoulder video training, a mini guide to help you find great niches and hot products, tons of done-for-you templates to help you profit fast, 31 done-for-you product templates, and you get all these templates in both PowerPoint and Canva. You can see them all right here on the sales page, as well as everything that is in the guide that I covered. Link in the description, and here's everything you're going to get. A 93-page PDF guide, a mini guide to walk you through the best online tools for researching hot niches and trending products, detailed done-for-you checklists that make every step as easy as 1, 2, 3, easy to follow over-the-shoulder videos, 31 easy-to-edit custom design done-for-you templates in both PowerPoint and Canva, the ultimate resource for free graphics online, and Etsy selling secrets. And you can see right now it's on sale for $19.99. I picked it up before it's actually going to be $30. I do want to let you know that once you add this to cart, what will happen is you will be presented with additional offers. And I just want to let you know about this so you have full transparency on what's going to happen. What's going to happen is you're going to make the purchase. Then there's going to be additional products that you absolutely don't need, but they can enhance or shorten the time to get you up and running on Etsy. You can see here, these are going to be more done-for-you templates and videos that you can simply customize, publish, and sell printables that people are going to buy over and over again. This is called Easy Party Printables Quick Start. You can, of course, buy that if that is something you want, but it's absolutely not necessary. And you can see all the things that you'll get here if you were to purchase that. After you purchase Easy Party Printables, you will be presented this offer. Again, it is not required. I just want to show you everything that's going to happen once you purchase this, but you can see you're going to be offered to purchase that as well. And then if you make that purchase, you will be offered another offer here, which is a curated bundle of Amy's top trainings, tips, templates, strategies, and more at a 50% discount. Again, this is 4 of her most popular publishing and printable solutions and a bundled discount. Easy implementation to Etsy success, publishing path profits, easy PD profits, which is public domain profits, and beyond printables. Again, you don't need to purchase this, but they are available. It is not a requirement to get started on Etsy or to use the Easy Party Printables product, but it is available at a discount price that you can see here. If you were to purchase that, you will be offered one more offer here, which is called Pod Graphic Success. This is going to show you how to do this without any design experience and transform your biggest stumbling block into success. This is perfect for those who want a quick plan, simple, set and forget it. Amy's going to explain it here that this is a complete A to Z system for creating and selling pod products with no graphics design experience necessary. Again, none of this is required to get started with Etsy in the party planning printables niche, but the offers are going to be made, and I wanted to make sure that you know you are going to see these after you purchase Easy Party Printables. The offers are going to be here, absolutely not necessary to buy, but if they do sound good and sound like something you'd be interested in learning more about, they are all high quality products from Amy. I recommend all of them. I just wanted to let you know what's going to happen when you click the link in the description, land on the sales page, and purchase Easy Party Printables. Again, the link's in the description. You'll get access to everything I showed you, to include this full members area with all the modules, everything you need to know to untap the secrets of party printables over on Etsy, so you can get started in the world of Etsy as well as the world of printables and specifically party printables. I bought it. It's something I'm going to be exploring and I wanted to share with you. Link in the description if you think you're interested in it. Check it out and I'll talk to you later. Bye.